Today we're going to see the world's largest operating steam locomotive. The hours spent waiting near the tracks were filled with a number of more modern diesel locomotives. I took a break from my workshop today to spend time with family. For me, honoring history is not limited to preserving just old furniture. For generations, the railroad has connected farms to cities, and many families to better opportunities. Railroads have helped build our nation, carrying products that helped shape America's story. At the moment, the unique, unmistakable sounds of Union Pacific's Big Boy echo through small towns across America, and we're witnessing more than a locomotive. We're witnessing living history. Union Pacific's Big Boy 4014 is the world's largest operating steam locomotive, built in 1941 to haul heavy freight over the mountains of the American West, and restored to operation by Union Pacific in 2019. Today, this train serves as a tribute to America's railroad heritage, drawing huge crowds as it travels the country on special anniversary tours. My name is Barry, and the clips in this short video were filmed by me and my parents, both during the most recent visit and over the last 7 years. I'll be back with another unique antique furniture restoration in just a few days, but I appreciate you joining me for this opportunity to experience history. Goodbye for now.